that which I thought to jest about. Love has turned against me for certain, so that it makes me love against my will her who does not deign to thank me for it. Rather, so long as she does not hate me, I thought I had nobly paid, and she takes no heed of the sin she will have if she lets me die. Grievous is the suffering for me to bear, for never before had I loved, and I would hold myself well chastised if once I could part from it. Love knows very nobly how to madden me, since my eyes showed me her fair body, slender and delicate, which makes me languish all with envy. Brought me to the madness for which I lament and weep and sigh. Sweet lady, upon coming here, it said that I am a pilgrim kissed, but I have sought so many a healthy body that never could it befall me. It is not noble that I do not perceive it, except for this, that I find too much falseness. Yet I am not so clever that love ever made me enjoy it. I shall have worked 100 times for it, but God does not want a despairing man, so I still wait and desire.